The Pixel 4 is a secret no more. We already know what the Pixel 4 will look like because Google itself has shown us. That's not just because the Google Pixel 4 release date is just around the corner. We still fully expect the Google Pixel 4 launch to take place in October. Since its launch in 2016, the Pixel line has become a reliable tentpole in the smartphone release calendar, offering a suite of features with an almost unmatched level of software polish. The handsets have done a lot to earn the adoration of the tech community at large. That's not to say the competition is resting, however, and Google in 2019 really needs to keep on its feet if the Pixel line is to meet expectations with its next iteration. We expect the Pixel 4 launch to take place in October based on the past released Pixel smartphones, with it likely that Google will take the opportunity to launch a few other hardware options at the same time, such as the long-rumored Pixel Watch. Following the announcement, the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL will be released in early November if past years are nothing to go by. In terms of price for the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL, the prices for the Pixel handsets have been climbing for years now, and the general emphasis on a premium fit and finish. The Pixel 4 or at least the XL model will be the first of the line to break the $1,000 mark. We will probably see different multiple storage capacities. More information will arrive closer to the launch. Keep tuned for that. We know what the Pixel 4 will look like on the back, at least thanks to Google itself posting a tweet with a picture of its upcoming handset. It confirms that the Pixel 4 design will feature a large square camera bump on the rear, which we would seen in multiple rumors before Google posted its tweet. On closer inspection, it appears the bump houses two cameras, which would be a first for the Pixel line of phones, which have stuck to just a single rear snapper to date, along with a camera flash below them with sensor to its right and another sensor at the top of the square. Another key point we can glean from the official Google Pixel 4 image is the lack of fingerprint scanner. Every Pixel device has had a rear fingerprint scanner, which means the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL might come with an in-display fingerprint scanner. According to a report, there will be a notch or bezel on the front, bottom-firing speakers and an in-display fingerprint scanner. The Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL might arrive with the punch hole camera. The punch hole is used by the Honor View 20 and then by the Samsung Galaxy S10. At least, that's what an image for a screen protector seemingly designed for the phone shows, along with the stereo speakers and virtually no bezel. The Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL might sport the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset and having a 6GB of RAM, while the previous Pixel 3 have 4GB of RAM, and might be the Pixel 4 and the 4 XL will be running on Android Q out of the box. According to one rumor, we have heard that the Pixel 4 might have capacitive buttons rather than mechanical clickable ones. However, the image Google has shared appears to go against this, with raised buttons on the side of the handset suggesting mechanical ones. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My name is Hamza, this is Advanced Unboxer, and I'll catch you in the next one.